Welcome to G Math tutorial. Now today consider question 2. Attempt any three of the following, and the second one B is if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, then find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. Solution. First write given as x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. Now differentiate on both sides of x and y with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta is equal to minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. This is happened because derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. That's why cos cube theta derivative is 3 cos square theta, and then derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. That's why dx by d theta is equal to minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Similarly, dy by d theta is equal to 3b sin square theta cos theta. Now we use a chain rule as dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta into divided by dx by d theta. That is 3b sin square theta cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. So cancel 3 cos theta and 1 sin theta. Remaining terms are dy by dx is equal to minus b sin theta divided by a cos theta, and sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but the tan theta, so dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a into tan theta. Put theta is equal to pi by 3, we get dy by dx is equal to minus b by a into tan pi by 3, that is tan pi by 3 is root 3. That's why dy by dx is equal to minus b by a into root 3. Hence dy by dx is equal to minus root 3b divided by a. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.